Good morning, children. I'm Jaspreet Kaur here. Today we are going to study about class 12 political science. The name of the book is Politics in India Since Independence. As previously also we have discussed two lectures on this topic, Politics in India Since Independence. So in this chapter we have studied till now regarding partition, right, when India got independence during 1947, 15 August 1947. What happened on midnight 14th and 15th August? We discussed in very detail in my previous lecture that how the partition was done and how it took its very bad form in front of the citizens, not only with India but with Pakistan also. As we know that if something happens in the one corner of the world, the whole world gets shaken. Presently, you may take this example, and it happens everywhere, right? Whatsoever things. So, mean to say, whatsoever things happened in India, that is very bad thing was there. Earlier, I told you regarding two nation theory. Two nation theory was very, its result was very bad. We can say the partition was the result of that two nation theory. Partition in which India and Pakistan got divided. That was the result of, we can say, consequence of that two nation theory that was imbibed on the minds of Muslims as well as Hindu. Very sorry to say these things, but this was the reality over there. And when partition was done, right, it is given the scene of a train in your book, page number 9. That is given there. You may see that even previously I taught you about the pictures also, that Gadar, Pinjar. You may see there is one novel in Punjabi also. I have read that novel, Tutta Wala Khu. And what is, you can say, a very pathetic, very tragic condition is there of the citizen of the both the nations, I can say here. And what happened during that? I told you about many killings were there, different people were displacement and rehabilitation. These three was the major problem, not only with the Indian government but with Pakistan also. But being a vast country having diversity, India has to face more challenges regarding how to accommodate their diversities, how to settle these things. Hopefully you are understanding. Now there was a lot of killing, right? People riots were there. लोगों में दंगे फसाद हो गए थे आपस में. And during those riots, Sadat Hussain Manto is one novelist. Sadat Hussain Manto is the name of the novelist. He has described in current newspapers, and how this type of killings are there, how killings and atrocities were there during that time of the partition. It gave them a very bad picture of the roads, streets, even gully mohallas, we can say, right? Even on the railway stations, Atari border, Baga border, many things happened there. Different type of people were very scared of the thing. They were very much terrified what will happen now, right? Because on the name of this two nation theory, this partition was done, and there were different type of killings and atrocities on the both borders. Okay, both the borders. In the, suppose this is the border line, here is the Pakistan and here India. So here was too much mesh was there. Different type of people were living here, and at once all the things were not got settled. There were major areas like Amritsar, Lahore. If we go to enter to Pakistan, Lahore is the first city, and if we come to India, Amritsar is the first city. To Lahore, Amritsar, And here is because Kolkata, West Bengal was also hub of the Muslim people. Muslim people do not enter to the Hindu areas where, mean to say, more number of Hindus were living. Exactly happening with the Hindus also, where more Muslims were living. Hindus always try to avoid to enter that area. So that was, such areas were Amritsar, Kolkata and Lahore. They were declared as the communal right zones, because communal right zones, we know that whenever there are different type of fights, quarreling, attacks, okay, that on the name of religion, so that's why this area was hub of this type of religious rights among Hindus, Muslims and Sikhs and others whatsoever people were living there, major were there, right? So that's why people were somewhat scared. They don't want to enter those areas. There was on this borderline, I told you, on this borderline, suppose here it is Pakistan, here India, people have to save their family honor. Even many of Muslims as well as many of Hindus try to save their girl childs over there from dishonor, rape cases, you may say, right? Because they want to hurt one another, each other, on the name of this Hindu or Muslims, and that's why they want to save their family members, especially young girls. And when on the name of family honor, it is written anywhere that some of them started to hide their girl baby here and there, and some of them tried to kill them themselves. Very tragic condition, but they want to save their family honor. They want to save their girls, young girls, from rape cases, so on, so forth, such like of bad things. So that was Sadat Hussain. I told you one more picture is there, that is Garam Hawa. Garam Hawa is a picture. In that there is a one man named Salim, right? He has been living in India just after the independence. This film was released in 1973. This film was released in 1973. It was shown through that film that person was living in India, but he has to tolerate his family, we can say, departure from there. When his family was entering India, going to Pakistan, he was left behind, and now he has to stay here only in India. And he stayed here, started his business. He was a shoemaker. As soon as his business was also going on, and after some years, when his son got adult, once again he has to join one strike for his rights and others, and that has been shown in this picture very vividly, very clearly. Depiction is there that how the people, being different they are same, and being same they are different. And he memorizing once again the story of the partition here, what happened there, right? That time what was the condition, people have to face such type of problems, and once again it is happening within the same country, not only in India but also in the Pakistan. Then he repents, he regrets that what is the use of such type of rights, and people killing, atrocities, this and that. So in this way, this is the bad consequences. And when anything happens in the country, so ultimately media, role of media is very, very important. Role of media, especially in democratic countries. Without media, citizen cannot raise their voice, government cannot listen, right? Because this is the mean through which people raise their issue. Government also propaganda, also preaches its policies and others, as nowadays we are watching that due to that corona, different news are there, no, different guidelines are there, corona protocol, daily we check out it. No, due to that only we are reading in such a way. We check out what is happening, what different new guidelines are there, what is the corona protocol. So like that, during these political issues also, role of media is very, very important. What the citizens wanted and what the government want to provide them, that link is provided by the media only. In media we can take newspapers, radio, television, and nowadays there is email, net, internet, WhatsApp, Facebook, WhatsApp things are there. So through this media, they and writers. In writers, we can take in earlier I mentioned poets, right? Writers, authors, and prose are there, and such type of things when it is taken there. Very, very important role of the filmmakers, right? Filmmakers have made the films only on this political issue during that is during that time period, only that political issue, these issues were raised in the in these films. There is one novel Anandmat from that, that is also Anglo-Indian war was depicted through that novel. And if we talk about in India, I would like to mention one name of one more novel, that is Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe himself is the victim of that condition under colonialism. What is the condition? And it is the novel famous for both. It is not given in your book. It is famous for both for the nationalists and the colonialists. ठीक है, तो colonialism के against कैसे जाना है, how we have to establish colonialism. Both the things are very clear cut depicted through this novel Robinson Crusoe, right? So in this way, role of the films, like whatsoever circumstances in the country, that is depicted through the films, through the serials, through the media, poets, writers, right? जैसे हम लोग करते हैं, whatsoever occasion is there, accordingly we represent our assembly, right? Suppose today there is a World Earth Day, right? We have to save earth. How we can save earth? Such type of talks, such type of thoughts we exchange with each other. How we can save this earth from the pollution, from this different type of diseases, global warming, overall whatsoever lack of oxygen nowadays, that is for that. Okay students, hopefully you have understood what I want to convey, the bad consequences of the partition. Partition itself signifies very bad thing. It should not happen. That's why we always talk about communal harmony, communal integrity among the citizen of our country, especially where we are living in a diversity. That's why. So, but what happened at that time, that is very bad. So communal zones were there, mean to say there were communal rights and family honor, to save family honor. What was especially I told you about the young girls. Then many poets have told that, like I took the name of Sadat Hussain. He told that it is not the division of the countries, division of land, division of geographical boundaries. It is the division of the hearts. It is the division of the hearts. So, because now also many people miss their friends, their relatives over there. Even my grandmother used to tell me when this Pakistan was made, right? I was also belong to that Punjab partition area nearby Pakistan. So my grandmother usually tells me that those people, how they were crying, weeping, how they were pulled into different type of carts कि जो बुल कार्ड्स थे उसके ऊपर उन लोगों ने दे हैव टेकन देयर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग व्हाट्सएवर, बट what can be done, क्या क्या उठा के ले जाओगे आप घर से. तो that was the major problem of those people at that time. It is very difficult, not only difficult, nearly impossible to leave the place where you have taken birth, where you have dwelt all the social, economic and cultural possibilities, where you have established your business, other thing. How will you do there over there? Where will you shift? So in this way, these were the major problem during the time of the partition. During the time of the partition. So in this way, that different type of things, more than I told you about 80 lakh people were migrated across the new border, and between 5 to 10 lakh people were killed. 5 to 10 lakh people were killed. 8 lakh people have to migrate from one place to another place, mean to say India and Pakistan. Okay students, hopefully you have understood. Please go through properly. Thank you. Bye.